going to share 4 things that help determine your mortgage rate. So if you're looking to buy a home, you probably want to secure the lowest interest rate possible for your home loan. Over the last couple of years, that was easier to do as the housing market saw record low mortgage rates. But this year, rates have risen dramatically. If you're looking for ways to combat today's higher rates and lock in the lowest one you can, here are a few factors to focus on. Since approval opportunities can vary, connect with the trusted lender for customized advice. Tip 1. Your credit score. Credit scores can play a big role in your mortgage rate. Freddie Mac explains this, quote, "When you build and maintain strong credit, mortgage lenders have greater confidence when qualifying you for a mortgage because they see that you've paid back your loans as agreed and use your credit wisely." Strong credit also means your lender is more apt to approve you for a mortgage that has more favorable terms and lower interest rates, end quote. That's why it's important to maintain a good credit score. If you want to focus on improving your score, your trusted advisor can give you expert advice to help. Also, I want you to stay tuned where I am going to do an episode soon on the 4 C's of credit. So stay tuned for that as well. Number 2 is your loan type. There are many types of loans, each offering different terms for qualified buyers. The Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, which is CFPB, says this, quote, "There are several broad categories of mortgage loans, such as conventional, FHA, USDA, and VA loans. Lenders decide which products to offer, and loan types have different eligibility requirements. Rates can be significantly different depending on what loan type you choose," end quote. When you're working with your real estate advisor, make sure you find out what's available in your area and which types of loans you may qualify for. And again, I like to also point out that we do have an in-house lender that we work with here at JR Real Estate. Trusted lender that we've worked with for many, many years, even all the way back to when I was the loan officer for our mortgage company. So the third factor is your loan term. This factor is why you should consider the term of your loan, or helps you consider the term of your loan. Just like with location and loan types, you have options. Freddie Mac says this, quote, "When choosing the right home loan for you, it's important to consider the loan term, which is the length of time it will take you to repay your loan before you fully own your home. Your loan term will affect your interest rate, monthly payment, and the total amount of interest you will pay over the life of the loan," end quote. So true. That is one thing that I know we have to stress often to our first-time home buyers that we work with here at JR Real Estate. And again, which is why I also say that our broker is a master negotiator and has a strong, solid background in finance. So this is a key area that he loves to focus on, because eventually the most important number is what you pay over the life of the loan. So again, depending on your situation, the length of your loan can also change your mortgage rate. So what about your down payment? If you're a current homeowner looking to sell and make a move, you can use the home equity you've built over time towards the down payment on your next home. The CFPB explains this, quote, "In general, a large down payment or a larger down payment means a lower interest rate, because lenders see a lower level of risk when you have more stake in the property. So if you can comfortably put 20% or more down, do it. You'll usually get a lower interest rate. However, I will point out that I did do an episode recently where we debunked the myth on the 20% down for the purchase of a home. So there are other creative ways and alternative ways to maximize your down payment, and you should check out that prior episode also for that. So to learn more, connect with the lender to find out the difference a higher down payment can make for your new mortgage. So what's the bottom line? These are just a few factors that can help determine your mortgage rate if you're buying a home. The best thing you can do is have a team of professionals on your side, like JR Real Estate Brokerage and Holding Service, downtown Ypsilanti, Michigan. Connect with myself, a local real estate professional, and a trusted lender as our in-house lender that I mentioned, so you have the expert advice you need in each step of the process. So again, I am your host and your money coach, Ms. Kalisha. CEO and founder of Miss Tax Lady LLC, licensed Michigan real estate agent, notary, and paralegal. Office manager for JR Real Estate and Brokerage Holding Service, downtown Ypsilanti, Michigan. We see you, we honor you, we value you. We are closing this wealth gap here. We are on the Monopoly board, and we want you to be beautiful, be brilliant, and be bankable.